Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome back to International Opportunity Hub. Friends, my name is Akib Shahzad, and today we are going to discuss about the youth camp that is going to be held in Maldives for the year of 2023 from 17 to 20 November. So there are fully funded, self and partially funded slots are available. The Youth Camp Maldives unites young people from diverse backgrounds focusing on global issues like climate change action, United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, educational tourism, cultural exchange, team building, public policy, leadership skills, cultural diversity, and community projects. Attendees gain insight, connect with experts, explore UK head office work opportunities, and exchange innovation ideas while fostering critical thinking about global social challenges. So this event is going to be held in Maldives from 17 to 20 November 2023. So still you have 17 days of remaining to apply for this program. So this program is consists of fully funded, partially and self-funded seats, community support initiative, airfare and accommodation, travel assistance, international forum, entrepreneurial connection, SDG influence, international alliance, cultural presentation exploring the Maldives celebrations. So the youth camp Maldives agenda. Arrival and orientation, cultural parade, workshop and discussions, water sports tour, farewell party, farewell breakfast and checkout. So you can find out more information about this program here. Frequently asked question: what is the purpose of having application fee? Education Tourism, a UK-based organization, relies on the generosity of our donors to sustain our operation. To ensure efficient event organization and management, we have a nominal fee of just £16.75. So you can also check out the question. I'm going to apply for this program. So simply click on apply now. So friends, in order to apply for this program, you have to firstly complete your personal information, your first name, last name, gender, date of birth, nationality. I'm from Pakistan. Your email address, contact number. You have to upload your photo here, your passport ID. Then go to next option. So as I did not fill my information, so you have to complete your personal information firstly, then your motivation and goals, then your terms and conditions. After that, you have to pay your application fee, that is £16.75. Then you can submit your application form. So my dear friends, this is very easy application procedure. So friends, if you meet this eligibility criteria, then must apply on this program. That's a great opportunity to explore Maldives. Apply yourself and also share this video with your other colleagues. Thank you so much guys for your support. Take care. Allah Hafiz.